Alright guys, we're going to do a review on our new water siphon pump. Alright, so we have our new Aquastrong Submersible utility pump. I did get the 1 horsepower. Amazon said it was a bestseller. The reviews are a little mixed, but we will see how it goes. Alright, this one looks different and a lot heavier than the one I got 2 years ago. So it looks like there's a little bit of assembly. It's interesting that it comes with plumber's tape. We got 2 attachments here and then our handle. Here's the machine itself. And then it comes with our manual. Alright, for me, I think we're going to use this in this end because that fits to my hose. Alright, so we have this part's connected now. Then I put my top part on. I did use the plumber's tape because if they provided it, they probably want me to use it. Now it's time to connect the hose. Okay, the handle just goes on there. I guess that's to wrap the cord, but it is kind of sharp, so be careful. Now we're gonna go to plug it in and dip it. Now if you see, I moved my hose over to the corner. We got a decent flow going. It's supposed to be, we'll see how long this takes.